This is continuation of 41 Bird Grove in Stokes Valley, Lower Hutt. We're down the Sanitary stormwater, down the vent at the back. We're looking in the council main, which is beneath the road. There's a couple of moved pipe work here. I'll pull out and show you the rest of the drain. So moved pipe work just there. This is PVC, so this would have had a spot repair in the past, heading into the main. There's something in the drain there. Oh, back into there. This lower section of the drain looks relatively alright. It's the drain closer towards the house that might need a few repairs. That's an inspection, and yeah, it looks like it has blocked in the past because there's a bunch of fat and whatnot at the roof of it. Yeah, so that's sunken a little bit, as you can see the bottom ring of the connection there. Just means that stuff is more easily to get caught and cause an issue. And yes, there's that join there is also dropped a little bit and probably causing all of this all this excess to be stuck in the drain. And yes, there's a little disconnect there, and yeah, from here on I think there's quite a few dislodgements. That is the gully as you're coming up the driveway into the garage and back towards the house. The first gully that's beneath the hose tap, that would be that connection. And then we're coming to the second gully, the one that's next to the vent here. I'll pull out and show you what I mean. Yeah, the lower section of the drain is alright. Yeah, this upper one has a bit of issues. And yeah, there's just a lot of I think that's grout in the drain. Yeah, so I would recommend definitely at least flushing the drain out and getting rid of all of them. Show you where we go.
Show the gully.
Yeah, so that was the closer gully. You know what I'm saying? This gully definitely seems to be a bit blocked. As you can see, there's all that concrete has been broken away, and we believe it's fallen into the gully because we cannot get the camera head down the gully. Sorry, there's lots of water on the camera. We can't get the camera down the gully. Yeah, we believe there's some stuff down it. And just over there was that first gully beneath the hose tap. And yeah, we're just down the vent at the back of the property.
Bring that camera over here. Look at that.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh.